Hello, design enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting realm of home decor as we explore the best curtain design ideas for 2024. Curtains aren't just functional, they're an integral part of your home's aesthetic. If you're looking to stay ahead of the trends and elevate your living spaces, you're in the right place. Let's jump into the top curtain design ideas that will define 2024. Trend 1. Layered looks. Layered curtain looks are making a strong comeback in 2024. This involves combining different types of curtains, sheer panels, blackout curtains, and decorative drapes to create a dynamic and visually interesting window treatment. It adds depth and sophistication to your decor. Trend 2. Bold and graphic patterns. If you're a fan of statement pieces, you'll love the trend of bold and graphic patterns. Geometric shapes, oversized florals, and abstract designs are taking center stage. These patterns inject energy and personality into your space, making your curtains a focal point of the room. Trend 3. Velvet looks. Velvet curtains continue to be a luxurious and timeless choice. In 2024, we're seeing an emphasis on rich, jewel-toned velvet fabrics. Deep emeralds, sapphires, and burgundies add a touch of opulence to your decor. Velvet not only looks sumptuous but also provides excellent insulation. Trend 4. Embroidery and textures. Adding texture to curtains is a key trend this year. Embroidery, beading, and textured fabrics bring a tactile element to your windows. This trend is all about elevating your curtains from mere window coverings to artistic expressions that enhance the overall design of your space. Trend 5. Mixing materials. 2024 is all about mixing and matching materials. Combining different fabrics, such as linen with sheer materials or cotton with metallic accents, adds visual interest and depth to your curtain design. This eclectic approach allows you to showcase your personal style and creativity. Trend 6. Smart curtains. Embracing the tech-savvy lifestyle, smart curtains are making waves in 2024. These curtains can be controlled with a smartphone or integrated into your home automation system. Whether you want to schedule opening and closing times or adjust them remotely, smart curtains add a modern and convenient touch to your home. There you have it, the best curtain design ideas for 2024. If you found this video inspiring, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home decor ideas, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video, exploring more exciting trends in interior design.